First you understand yourself, then you understand others. I always say what you know, that is not a more important. Whether you know yourself or not, that is a more important. If you have clarity about yourself, you can understand others very easily. I always say it's a spiritual destination. And I want to start their naturopathy medical college, first of the Northeast India.
Hello and welcome to the show Education Evangelist of India Season 3, powered by Great Place to Study. Today we have Mr. Dhanwant Singh with us, who's the founder and chancellor of the Apex Professional University, Pasighat, Arunachal Pradesh. He's an engineer by education, a social entrepreneur by profession, and a Vedic business coach by passion. Wow, that's quite interesting. I cannot wait to meet the man himself. Let's welcome him on the set, Mr. Dhanwant Singh, founder of Apex Professional University. Hello, Ji.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Thank you for coming on the show. So, sir, we have a lot of people who have come on the show, but you are unique in many ways. The first thing is you have a university in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, looking at you, you don't look like you are from Arunachal Pradesh.
Absolutely right. I'm from Amritsar, Punjab.
You are as Punjabi as they get. You are hardcore Amritsari.
Yes.
Right? I'm also Punjabi, but you are probably much more Punjabi. You're from Amritsar, Ambersar, as the official name is. But you're in Arunachal Pradesh, and you made a big university there. So how did it happen? You have to tell us, because this is not a story, and I'm a storyteller. You don't get this story every day.
When I complete my computer education, my parents want to do job, okay, because the both are school teacher, and they borrow the money and give me for the computer engineering. But I want to be educationist. Education is in my blood. My parents are teacher. So my father said, no, I cannot give you single penny as a capital. If you want to do business, you do with your own money. But I don't have money. I decided I cannot do job. Then I taken a loan 1 lakh rupees from bank under the Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Yojana scheme without collateral that bank is given. And I take a loan and I buy 2 computers.
Wow.
And start a computer institute in the name brand of Apex Infotech. And I, with the parents' blessing and with the Vaheguru blessing, within 3 years, we set up a very good computer institution with 200 computers.
200
computers within 3 years.
In Amritsar.
In Amritsar. Yeah. And that time, IT is in a boom. Aptech and NIT is the well brand. And in my dream, when I see they are a franchisee, and I decide, oh, we can also open a franchisee. Then I shifted to Amritsar to Chandigarh, then open a franchisee center in all North India, more than 200 centers. In term of computers, we have the 2000 computer. I say within a 5 year, I make 2000 computer, 2 to 2000. Then I tie up with the universities, various universities. When we tie up with the university, then I find out we need to expand nationally. Then I shifted from Chandigarh to Bangalore. We start a private companies also, develop a online software to give online education and collaborate with more than 15 universities using my software. Then 2011, my team and we decide why we can work for other university, why we cannot set up our own university.
Wow.
Then we decide, okay, we can set up in Karnataka. We talk with the Karnataka government immediately agree, okay. Then somebody say, no, Gujarat is the best for investment, so you can do investment in Gujarat. Then we approach Gujarat government immediately sign MOU with us and they can start a university. During that period, one of my common friend of CM of Arunachal Pradesh and me, we met just Delhi. Then we just talk, he said, why not set up private university in Arunachal Pradesh? We are the first private university in Arunachal Pradesh. They say, you come here. Then I go there, we see the government is very supportive and actually need of higher education is there. School is there, but no higher education institutions more. Only government is running some colleges. Then I always say Punjab is my Janam Bhumi, Karnataka is my Karam Bhumi, and Arunachal is my Seva Bhumi.
बट कल्चरली अरुणाचल प्रदेश बहुत अलग है। हम नॉर्थ के लोगों को ज़्यादा वहाँ के बारे में पता नहीं है, कैसे वहाँ पे काम करना है, कैसे वहाँ पे कॉलेज की कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है। आई थिंक टेरेन भी काफ़ी मुश्किल है, पहाड़ी इलाका है पूरा।
Very tough.
तो वो सब आपने कैसे किया फिर?
When I met to the chief secretary, then he said, I said, what is the people nature? He said, they're very honest. If you are honest, they're very honest. If you are not honest with that people, they are very worst people. Or naturally, I find out they're very supportive, very innocent people. And little support from government is more for me. They provide a first building and land to me to start a campus immediately. After that, we start our own campus. The people thought Arunachal is a very disconnected, but Arunachalis are more Hindi-speaking peoples. They have more love to the country.
But still, the government supported you, but you also put a lot of your own capital.
More than 100 CR capital I am putting from my
So you
side.
put 100 crores in Arunachal Pradesh. So this is a business also, but it's also kind of like a social entrepreneurship.
This I am a social. So I say always, I am not an entrepreneur. I am a social entrepreneur.
Yeah. How many students are studying there, and what are the courses you're offering?
We have more than 2,000 plus students. We have law college there. We have the B.Ed college there. We have nursing program. We have the pharmacy college. Now we are starting next year onward first naturopathy professional medical college. So it's because Arunachal is a totally organic state. I always say it's a spiritual destination. And I want to start their naturopathy medical college, first of the Northeast India.
It's good you mentioned spirituality, because there's a lot of, you're very spiritually inclined. When did this happen?
Spirituality is my part and part of my family. We are very spiritual. But the people feel spiritual mean a religion. But I always say spiritual is a Sanskrit term, adhyatam. Adhyay means study, atam means self-study. I always say when you audit your time and energy, where are you spending? That is a spirituality. And if it's a very productive, you are a productive. If your time and energies are destructive, you are wasting your time. So this is a spirituality, is a auditing of your time and energy. And that come when the people realize it only when they do daily meditation, yoga, then only possible to do self-audit. I always say spirituality is self-auditing.
Have you tried to use this spirituality in your college? Do you try to, like, with your students also, do you try to, apart from whatever they are studying, law or nursing or whatever, but do you try to incorporate this aspect?
Yes, our university's main vision is this. First, you understand yourself, then you understand others. I always say what you know, that is not a more important. Whether you know yourself or not, that is a more important. If you have clarity about yourself, you can understand others very easily, because the whole universe made with the Panchabhuta. If you understand your Panchabhuta, mean every person, as per our yogic philosophy, every person belongs to one element. And if they eat accordingly, if they sleep accordingly, if they take action accordingly, according to their own element, they will live peacefully and joyfully. So our target to each our student must be now about themselves. That is our most focus. Then I always say teaching science, engineering, management is very easy, but teaching values are very difficult till you are not practicing it. And in our university, we are making a part and parcel of the culture of APU, so they can practice these values the whole student life cycle.
I have something special for you, some of your friends on screen, so please have a look.
APU's founder chancellor Acharya Dhanwant Singh Ji is an educationist. He has developed this university keeping ancient Indian and Vedic philosophy in perspective. I hail from Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. After being 3,000 kilometers away from my hometown, Pasighat makes me feel at home.
It's a mesmerizing thought when I actually talk about Acharya Ji's dream, vision, and Apex Professional University. He's a man actually committed to service these people of Northeast by providing quality education And that's what brings him all the way from north to northeast. I'm quite glad to communicate about him today, and I feel that he has made all of us a part of his important mission. His education philosophy is focusing on how do we try to reach to a process of self-discovery and growth for each and every person of Northeast.
Our Honorable Chancellor has made Apex Professional University not only a confluence of education and culture of Northeast, but also a meeting place of ancient Indian ethics, modern and postmodern thoughts.
Our university is spread over acres in a serene environment and provide us excellent ambience for academic endeavors. It's a great place where Gurukul methods are followed to give us an opportunity to unwind, unlearn and relearn for lifelong.
As a student from Punjab, I am given the opportunity to learn and earn. I work at the university post my studies under the Learn and Earn scheme. I grow academically as well as professionally to face the world.
We the students are shaped and molded to be the leaders of tomorrow. We are prepared to face the world beyond the notice, thanks to the experienced industry professional who has come to visit us. The students' clubs at university adds to unity of thoughts and actions. Our academic work and play goes hand in hand with wonderful sports resources to activate our energy and enthusiasm.
That's great. Very nice to have people like that in your life. You know, who are the people? This must not have been easy. 2,000 computers, then opening your own university in a remote part of India. Who are some of the people who helped you in this journey, who you owe a lot to? Who you are today is because of which people?
I always seen every people is supporting me. When I start my company in Amritsar, the first employee Mandeep Virdi, he worked 12 years with me. When we shift Chandigarh, Harjeet is there till with me. When we shift Bangalore, Taruna Sharma, one woman is there, she is still with me. So I never leave the people who joined me, and in my organization, mostly people are more working with me 20 to 15 years with me. So due to my team, this efforts 2 to 2,000 computer, not to me. I always given credit to that peoples.
That's very nice. Where do you want to take Apex now? Next 5 years or 10 years, where do you want to be?
I want Apex will be the next future Gurukul of India known. So if you want, I want the foreign people have more interest about the Indian system. They want to learn yoga, they want to learn Ayurveda. So we want to make APU is from now not a Arunachal Pradesh University, is an international university. Next 10 years we are a plan out. So the all over from the world, the people come and study our Indian system and Indian culture.
Anything you want to say to the youth or to the audience?
I always say nothing is permanent except one. This is God. So what you are, if you are in a pain, that is not a permanent. If you are in a happy, also that is not a permanent. So be ready for every moment. So believe in a God. If you are not believing in God, it means you are mistrust. You are not trusting the God. So keep always remember, nothing is permanent.
Okay. Well, you come from the Holy Land. Amritsar is the Holy Land, and you have done great things. And very inspiring to see your journey. To meet you. Before I let you go, we will take a picture together for the wall, and then I'll give you a memento. Apex Professional University is a manifestation of the divine vision of revered Acharya Dhanvant Singh. The holy ambience of the Varsity acts as a catalyst for holistic development. Thank you, Mr. Singh, for sharing your insights with us. This is me, Chetan Bhagat, signing off for today. Keep watching Skill Tree Education Evangelist of India, Season 3, powered by Great Place to Study, streaming exclusively on ForbesIndia.com. Take care.